In this video, I'm going to show you how to record and submit an audio or video assignment using your cell phone on your Canvas app. First, open your Canvas student app. Choose your course. Tap. Next, find your assignment. Tap your assignment. Read your assignment directions. And when you're ready, click or tap Submit Assignment. You can choose to record on your cell phone or upload a file or even a website. In this video, we will record right now. Tap Media Recording. At the bottom of your screen, you will see Audio, Camera, and Library. Tap Audio. Click the red button and you can begin recording your audio here. Or tap Camera. You will see your video camera go on. Switch the camera pointing you and click red to record. Or finally, you can click Library and you can submit a video or audio that you have already recorded before on your phone. Okay, let's go back to audio. I'll show you how to record audio. Click Audio, click Record. Hello, I am completing my assignment. Here I am. Next, you can listen. If it sounds good, click Send. If not, tap Delete. I am going to tap Send. Once it's submitted, you'll see confetti. Congratulations. You can submit it again if you like. Again, you can choose media recording. And if you like, this time you can choose the camera and swivel around and record. But I'm happy with my assignment now. That's it. Good luck, everyone.